Boat recently launched their Stone 620 speaker. Is it a good speaker? How is the battery life? And what about the sound? Well, all this is coming up. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this speaker, you can head to the first link in the description below. Just like any video of mine, it would be better if we unbox the product first and then we talk about it. So let's do it. Starting with the design and build quality, I want to say that these are neatly designed speaker. From the moment you hold it, it feels like you are holding a premium device. I don't know what Boat is doing this time with their new speakers like the Party Power 50 and Boat Stone 620. Both devices feel way smooth and high quality. It looks like they took inspiration from JBL Flip and managed to do a great job in making this speaker an excellent and robust device. Talking about the overview of the device, we have dual 2-inch drivers on the front and base radiators on both sides. Then we have this fabric mesh-like material wrapped around, which gives it a very fine touch. Now for the controls, we have on the back where we can find power on, off, volume up, down, mode button. Then we have mic. Along with that, we have a hidden I/O panel, which is hidden underneath this rubber flap. And inside we get the option to a USB, aux, and a Type-C for charging. And for carrying this device, we get this shoelace included with the product. I'm not making this out. On the features side, we get Bluetooth 5.0 but no dual pairing, although we do get stereo mode. So if you do have two Boat Stone 620, I don't know why you have two, but you can connect them together and enjoy stereo sound. We also have amazing sounding FM if you enjoy that. And last but not least, we get IPX4 water rating for all those water splashes. Along with those features, we also get a mic, so we can use that for voice assistant and we can take calls as well. Speaking of calls, this is the audio quality of the mic. So this is what the person you are talking to would hear your voice like. On the battery side, there is a 2500 mAh battery which takes about 3 hours to charge full, which is a lot. And after that, we can expect 10 hours of playback at 60% of volume. For me, the battery life is good, but the only problem I have is the charging time. They should have implemented some sort of fast charging because 3 hours is very long. Now coming down to the most vital element of any audio device, period, and that is the sound quality. So specification wise, this is a 12-watt RMS speaker, and as mentioned earlier, this has dual 2-inch drivers and base radiators on both sides, which combined produces very average sound. I mean, if you look at the price, you won't mind it, but the sound coming out of this is boosted on mids and especially highs. And talking about the bass, there is no bass, that's it. The bass radiators on the side are there and they do produce a good amount of bass, but only and only if you hold it 1 foot away from your ears. Beyond that, you won't be able to hear that. If they could increase the output of the radiators, then I bet you this would be the best sounding speaker at this price. But for now, it is a loud, good looking and harsh sounding speaker. Now if you ask me if it's worth your money, although you know me, I will eventually get to it. In my opinion, instead of buying the Boat Stone 620, you should consider something else. But which one? Wait, what we can do is, I will find perfect Bluetooth speaker. You hit the subscribe button. Deal. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.